Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today we will solve the 17th question of July Leetcode challenge. So our question is top k frequent elements. Now what we have given a nums array and we have given an integer k. Now in nums array we have some elements with duplicate occurrences. Now we have to find out the numbers with the highest occurrence till some number. Suppose k is 2. So we have to find first two numbers which have highest occurrence. In this case, one have 3 occurrence, 2 have 2 occurrence, and 3 have 1 occurrence. So our last answer will be 1 and 2. Similarly, if k was 3 or k is 3, then we have to return 1, 2, 3. Now, if k is equals to 1 only, then we have to return only one which have most occurrence. So we have to return the elements which have most occurrence k numbers. Suppose k is 5, then first 5 number with most occurrence. In that case, the k is always less than the number of unique elements, so it does not require to worry about the upper bound limits or the overflow limits. Now our question is very simple. What we have to do, we have to just find the k greatest occurrence elements. So we will first discuss the approach, then we will go for the coding part. Now for understanding the question, we will take this as an example in which the array is this 1 1 1 3 3 2 2 2 2 2 and k is equals to 2. Now what we have to do, we have to first count the occurrence. So first thing, we will count the occurrence. Now with the help of which data structure we can count with the help of map. So we'll make a map and we'll count the occurrence of each. So 1 will be equals to 3, 3 will be equals to 2, and 2 will be equals to 4. Now we have all the occurrences of elements. Now at the end we have to return the element which have most occurrence. So our answer will be 2, 1. Simple. But in the map we cannot sort the map. That's why the problem occurs. So after this, what we'll do, we'll convert this map into a pair or a vector of pairs. So what we'll do, we'll convert this into a vector. So the values will be 1, 3, 3, 2, and then 2, 4. After that, we'll sort it and we'll find our answer. Now after sorting, what this will look like, this will be 2, 4, 1, 3, and 3, 2. So answer will be sorted vector will be looking like this. So then we will iterate over this k times and we will find our answer. So in this we have to iterate over 2 times, so we'll get 2, 1 our answer. Now if we have to iterate 3 times, so k equals to 3, then our answer will be 2, 1, and then 3. Now if k is equals to 1, then our answer will be 2 only. So we have to iterate how many times this k is there. So this is the simple solution in which we have to first make the map, then convert it into a set, then sort them. So now we'll look at the code and then we'll submit our solution. So this is the code for the solution. So first of all, we have created a map table in which I will store the occurrence. After that, I have created an answer which will store our final answer. After that, I have occurred over all the elements and then incremented whenever I will find any value. So initially table's value will be initialized by 0. So whenever will occur, some of the values will be incremented up to 1, 2, or how many times its occurrence is there. Now we have created the vector of pairs, the temporary vector which will store the maps element. Then we have iterated over all the values of this table. Now first of all, we have created a pair in it, and first value will be the first value of the table. So we have taken i dot first, i dot second, and then we have pushed back the values into the temp. Now I have used a set sort function in which I have passed the begin, iterator, and a comp function which will compare the elements. Now in this, what this comp function is doing, it is just doing the swapping part. It is just checking that the value is greater or less, because we have 2 values in a pair. So our priority is second value. So we'll do with the help of this comp. So we'll look the part of the comp at the end. Before that, we'll first look at the end part, which is I'll iterate over all the values from I equals to 0 to k, and I'll push back that values into the answer. And in the answer, what will be our values? The most occurrence elements, as we have discussed before. So we have to iterate these values, or we have to push back these values from temp.first, so we'll get our answer. Now we'll discuss our comp function, that what it is doing. So our comp function will be something like this. In this, we'll get as an input as a pair and two pairs, first A pair and second B pair. Now after that, we have to just return that which is greater. If you want to reverse sort, just change its sign to this. If you want to increase sort, then we have to do this. So in this, we'll get our answer easily with the help of this sort function, and at the end we'll directly return our answer. So this is the simple solution, and if we submit the solution, we got correct answer.